Ukubuyiswa kwezidumbu zalamasosha ayi-14 kuqinisekiswe nguNgqongqoshe wezokuvikela phambi kwekomidi lezokuvikela ePhalamende izolo. Usomlomo wePhalamende uThoko Didiza naye uqinisekisile lokhu namhlanje.
We do know indeed that the repatriation of those soldiers will happen today. The programming committee of both houses haven't actually discussed as to what would be the role of Parliament in honoring those soldiers.
Owayengumkhuzi we-SANDF ukhathazekile ngongacaci kwesikhathi izidumbu ezizofika ngaso kulelizwe.
I'm worried about two things. The first one is that if we don't know the time they are going to arrive, the preparations here are not going to be ready for receiving our heroes.
Inyunyana yamasosha i-National Defence Force Union inxusa ukuthi kusungulwe isigungu esizophenya ngendlela amasosha akulelizwe aphathwe ngayo eDRC.
As a union, we are calling for some sort of an inquiry, an open inquiry around this whole mission. The reasons are simply that we are not satisfied with the way our soldiers, our members have been treated throughout this mission.
Kusenjalo okhulumela umengameli uVincent Magwenya ukuphikile ukuthi amasosha akuleli ajutshwe eDRC ukuyovikela amabhizinisi kaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
So to reduce such a long commitment to the attainment of peace in the DRC, in our continent, to the protection of mining interest is completely devoid of any truth, and it lacks the knowledge and the appreciation of South Africa's role in ensuring peacekeeping.
Uma izidumbu sezifikile kulelizwe, iSANDF kanye nohulumeni bazobamba umcimbi wokuhlonipha amasosha afile empini. NgoMsombuluko, iPhalamende likazwelonke nalo lizoba nomhlangano wokubhunga ngalolu daba.